Hey you guys, welcome back to my garden. So I've been out here working. So I've already went in, I've done my tulip aftercare. Now I'm getting ready to go in and just add some Heuchera Palace Purple. And these are going to be great because they are perennial. They're going to start to get bigger. I'm also going to go in and do some trimming on my containers. I also have a flat, well I have several flats of supertunias. I may drop them into the ground, I may not. If I get the chance, because I have another garden bed that I'm doing a major renovation to. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead, click that subscription button. We'll all wait for you to subscribe. Now, let's get to it. With my geranium, I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut these back. That is going to encourage new blooms. Back down, and I'm going to cut that there. So this takes not a lot of time to actually do, but this is what's going to make sure I keep getting continuous blooms. So this is not one of those plants that self-cleans or buries the blooms, where you don't have to get out here and prune. But this is going to encourage more flowering. Alright, so I got that one cleaned up. And there's this one right here. And then while I'm at it, I'm going to go in and I'm going to shear my supertunias back. So I took off all of this growth right here. Already that looks a lot better and a lot fuller. So I'm going to go ahead, go down and do the next one. And I'm going to put this one off right here. So, looks pretty good. So when I treat my weeds, what I do is I go in, I pull out the big ones, but if it's anything small like this, you just come in like that with your shovel or your hoe. You just kind of just rough them up on the surface. So you do do that. And then you come in with your newspaper. You put your newspaper down. This will deteriorate. Now, if it was a bed that I was planting vegetables or anything like that, I wouldn't be using this type of newspaper. So you just put them down. This will be the second time that I'm actually replacing an icomia or a sweet potato vine. I have a squirrel. I don't know why he makes it his business to come in my yard and dig up my sweet potato vine. So let me pop this in real quick. Now I have to play catch up with the one on the other side.